Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at whatever.com. We all love the Mirchi Bajjis. But today, we're going to make Upma Mirchi Bajji. For this, first we're going to add some oil and make the Upma. And make very little, so just do not add too much oil to this. When the oil is hot, we're going to add the mustard seeds. Mustard seeds crackle, add cumin seeds. Here, we're going to make this Upma a little different because in this chilies, we're going to love peanuts that's crushed, sesame seeds, and slightly, fry them so that they get a little bit crunchy. Along with this, we're going to add the suji, that is rava. Let this also cook a little bit. But what kind of upma are we doing? We're going to make it lemon, tamarind kind of upma, which is sour, which will make this mirchi bhaji very, very tasty. To this, we're going to add a little bit of turmeric so that it gives a very nice lemony color. Now add salt and water. We're going to add some tamarind juice and lemon juice also. Some tamarind juice and lemon juice. If you want to add a little bit water because we want this mixture to be nice and sour. This suji is getting cooked and you will have this kind of dry kind of upma which we're going to stuff into these chilies. This mixture is all cooked. We're going to add some chopped coriander to this. We're going to stuff this into our chilies. All you do is open the chili. In this, put this mixture. Make sure you have a good enough filling inside. Fill all of these chilies and then we're going to make a batter and deep fry. All the chilies are stuffed with the lemon upma. To make the batter, we're going to take the chickpea flour, ajwain, especially whenever you're using this chickpea flour to make the batter and make the pakodas and bhajis, add ajwain because that's going to keep your stomach clean, the digestion perfect, and also it adds awesome flavor. To this, add some chili powder, some cooking soda. You can also add some baking powder to this. Mix all of this. Just make this into a thick batter so that there are no lumps formed. Once you get this paste-like mixture, now you can add the right amount of water so that they coat the chilies and you fry them perfect. Dip these chilies. Oh God, it doesn't even fit in here. Perfect fit in this at least. Okay, it fits in there. We're going to fry all these chilies till they are nice and golden. Let these chilies, they are fried so good. God, the most beautiful thing is the cut mirchi. Cut mirchi is basically, you make this, big mirchi bhaji, but you half fry them. So what I did is I removed two and then cut them into smaller pieces because we got this nice lemon upma in this. We're going to cut them and fry again in a hot oil till they get even more crunchy. So we want to eat these chilies. We're just going to cut them. Inside is all nice lemon upma. In this, add a lot of onion, coriander, and sprinkle with little chaat masala. These cut chilies, they are awesome, especially in the weddings. As a snack, they are thrown along with this sambar and all that. For every bite, they are super heavenly. And this lemon upma becomes very, very tasty in these chilies. The onion, coriander, stuffed chili are ready. And now the cut mirchi. Wow. Because of that lemon upma, this part also gets slightly crunchy. All I'm going to do is chaat masala. Oh, they're super hot. And serve them. Look at them. I say look at them. Cut mirchi is my favorite. But when you have this mirchis stuffed with onion, everything. Inside is that lemony upma which make this even more delicious. Especially the crunchy peanuts and the sesame seeds make this awesome. Dear friends, you have tried many kind of mirchi bhaji, but this is superior. This is like the lord of all the mirchi bhajis. The cut mirchi. Wow. Just out of the world with the onion stuffing is wow. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session. Keep watching, keep cooking, enjoy life.